Hi students, how are you? You know, when I was of your age and my teacher used to tell me that I have to write the tables from 10 to 20 and I used to feel like, oh my god, अब ये भी करना पड़ेगा. सबसे बोरिंग काम है टेबल्स लिखना. क्यों लिखवाते हैं हमसे टेबल्स यार? What I did, I found out a way to write the tables quickly. I never learned them. I never enjoyed learning the tables. So what I used to do, I used to write the table of 10 first, like this. 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. It is very easy. 10 fives are 50. Okay. And then when I used to write the another table, like when I used to write the table of 11. Okay, this is table of 11. I know that it is ones. Every time it is ones. So 10 will be we will be adding 1 to get the next answer. 11 ones are 11. So again 11 added to 1 will give you 12. So 12 is the next answer. And 12 added to 1 will give you 13. So 13 is the next answer. Similarly, when I was writing 10 multiplied by 2, 20. So 20, and then I found out that this is 22. So 20 added to 2 is 22. Then 22 added to 2 is 24. Then 24 added to 2 is 26. Then again for 30 also similar rule applied. Then for 3 also the same rule applied. The rule was, since it is 3, what will be getting added? 3. So 30 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 3, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. I used to write my tables like this. I never learned the tables and writing like this. I never enjoyed that. Again, if you see 40 plus 4, 44. 44 plus 4, 48. 48, then 13 plus 4, 48 plus 4, 52. So similarly, I used to write all the tables and my teacher never came to know that I am writing like this. This is the beauty of maths. It's not wrong, but we have to quickly do tables. We have to quickly recall tables. So I devised another method. What is that another method? We are going to study that today. We can write tables like this. It is perfectly fine. But whenever somebody asks us to quickly calculate, how can we quickly calculate? Let us find out that. So first is 12 multiplied by 4. If suppose somebody asks me what is 12 multiplied by 4, either I will do like this: 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are, and I'm adding 12, then 12, then 12, then 12. Or what I can see, that 12 means 10 plus 2. 12 means 10 plus 2. That means this 10 plus 2 is getting multiplied by 4. So 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40 and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. It was getting added, so I've written add. It is 8. So the answer is 48. Let us find out with more examples. So suppose I have to quickly find out what is 14 multiplied by 5. How will I do? I will break it. I will say 10 plus 4. This complete multiply by 5. Now first I will multiply 10 by 5. What is 10 multiplied by 5? Quickly think. 50. It is easy. And what is 4 multiplied by 5? Very easy. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Now 50 plus 20 is 70. This is the answer. Okay. Let us find out this. Again break it. This is 10 added to 7. Okay. And then we have to multiply this with 8. So 10 multiplied by 8. First multiply 10 by 8. What is 10 multiplied by 8? It is 80. And then 7 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Now add them. 80 added to 56. So it is 136. 0 plus 6 is 6. And 8 plus 5 is 13. Or you can say 80 plus 50. Don't take 6. 80 plus 50 is 130. And then add 6. 136. Let's try one more example. Two more examples. 33 multiplied by 6. Again break it. 33 means 30 plus 3 multiply by 6. So 30 multiply by 6. What is 30 multiply by 6? 30 multiply by 6 is 3 6 are 18 and 0 180, and 3 multiply by 6 is 18. Add them, 8 9 198 is the answer. Very quickly I can tell. Again, break it. 30 plus 5 multiply by 7. Okay, so 30 multiply by 7. 30 multiply by 7 means 3 7s are 21. 3 multiply by 7 is 21, and we have 0. We will add 0. Now plus 5 multiply by 7. What is 5 7s are? 35. Let's find out. 5 4 2. 245 is the answer. If you have to multiply like this, you can multiply like this also, but I find sometimes it very boring, so you can do like this also. So when you have to calculate mentally, you can do these things also, these methods also you can try. Okay, try yourself.